back here sa dorm. So, I just had dinner sa condo ng friends ko. Nagluto kami ng kimchi jjigae. And also, my friend made strawberry matcha for me. Thank you, Isa. And now, umuwi na ako since I need to study for my two exams tomorrow, which is for computer application and business and in ethics. So, sa computer application and business, we already have our lab exam. So, meron kasi kami separate lecture for that. So, we have lab and then yung lecture. So, yung exam namin for tomorrow is for the lecture. And then, um, for ethics, super haba ng lessons. That's why I need to study since I have to go sa school tomorrow by 7:30 since I have a side quest tomorrow. So you will see. Meron akong side quest tomorrow. Pero ang start pa ng exam ko is, for tomorrow is 1 pa. And today, I didn't get to vlog that much since usually um, pag nag-vlog ako during exam week, like, I only film yung mga times na nag-aaral lang ako. Pero kanina, I slept 5 a.m. 5 a.m. na ako natulog. And then, I woke up mga 9 kasi my first exam, it was major siya. So, yun yung pinag-stay upan ko until 5 a.m. And 11 siya kanina, 11 to 12. And parang sobrang ano lang kami kanina since basta ang dami nangyari kanina sa exam na yun. And after that, my next exam is 4 p.m. pa. So, umuwi muna ako and then I think I showed a clip na kumain ako sa may Korean resto dito sa may Antonio, sa Dapitan. And then, umuwi ako after that. And then, nag-aral ako. And then, natulog ako for 1 hour and 30 minutes. And then, pumasok ako for my second exam today. So now, it's 8:30 and I'm gonna start studying since inintindi din ako ng friends ko sa Discord since sabay-sabay kayong mag-aaral sa Discord kahit magkakasama lang kami kanina. So, ayun. Enjoy my study time lapse. currently 1:37 a.m. and I think I got home around 12:40 from the cafe. And after ko umuwi, ay pagka-uwi ko, I showered and then I was supposed to continue na lang yung ginagawa ko sa cafe kanina, but I got hungry. So I bought some midnight. This is not a snack. This is a midnight meal at this point. I bought the cheesy samgyeopsal from 7-Eleven. Guys, this is so good. This is my favorite. Whenever I crave samgyup, I just bought this one. I lagi ko lang ito binibili from 7-Eleven and it's so good. And I know it's almost 2 a.m. But I deserve this after this week and I still have exams next week pa. So I'm gonna finish my research. Ay, before I finish my research pala, let's do a recap of what I did today. I mean, yesterday, kasi it's 1 a.m. na. Okay, yesterday, I was at school na mga around 7 kasi I helped my friend dun sa booth niya sa Raymond. So, support buddies, guys. So, if ever may booth man sila ulit, follow niyo yung SOCMED nila para updated kayo. And I was there around, ayun nga, 8 to 11. And then, while I'm, nagbabantay and nag-help sa kanya, tinatry ko mag-aral for my, um, next, for my quiz, my first exam yesterday, which is for comp. And ayun, after na mga around 1, nag-exam ako, natapos na kami mag-exam before 2. And then I went home immediately. Like, as in after exam, I went home immediately and then natulog ako. Natulog ako for around siguro 2 hanggang 3:30 tulog ako. And then, kasi yung next exam ko kahapon is 4 p.m. pa yung start. 5 p.m. Oo, 5 p.m. pa yung start nung sumunod ko na exam kahapon. Kaya parang natulog muna ako bago ako um, pumasok. Kaya, ayun. And then, natulog ako after exam. Nag-dinner lang ako here. And then, nagpunta na kami ng friend ko sa cafe para magawa ng research. And now, nandito na ako. And ngayon, i-continue ko lang. And then, manonood ako ng Ghibli movie or K-drama or I don't know habang kumakain at gumagawa ng research. Multitasking! So, yun lang. Bye! Good night! Hi, so it's almost 5 p.m. and I'm just starting my day. I mean, maaga ako gumising, guys. As in, gising na ako ng mga 8:30, pero nag-bed rot ako hanggang 9. And then, ano ginawa ko? Nag-meal prep ako. Gumawa ko ng yung tokwat baboy na ginagawa ko, pero walang baboy. Like, tokwa lang. And then, kumain ako. After ko kumain, natulog ako. Natulog ako, nagising ako ng mga 3 na. And then, nag-shower ako. And ngayon, I'm heading out kasi the-drop off ko yung laundry ko. I think this is 3 weeks na. Yung pinapalaundry ko lang kasi here is yung mga pangbahay clothes ko. Like yung mga pajama ko, yung mga sinusuot ko here sa loob lang ng dorm. Or yung basta yung mga clothes ko na na okay lang na masira at mamantsahan. Ganyan. yung mga panglakad clothes ko, like this one, and then yung mga uniform ko, ako yung naglalaba. If I can't, go home ng weekend na yun, ako yung naglalaba ng uniform ko. Pero, yung mga panglakad, and then yung underwear, and then yung, ano pa ba, towel, bedsheet, sa bahay ko siya pinapalaba. Pero yung mga pambahay ko is, nandito. And yung mga socks ko, yun lang yung pinapalaba ko. Yung mga socks ko pala, I don't know if I shared this na pala, pero like, nilalagay ko sila here. Kasi, baka mawala siya, di ba, sa laundry. Kasi nasa isang washing machine lang siya. So, nilalagay ko yung mga foot socks ko here, o yung mga socks ko. And after ko i-drop off yung laundry ko, pupunta akong Nobal, and then mag-study kami ng friend ko doon. Kasi, may exam pa ako bukas, guys. Isa pa. Sobrang unproductive ko lately kasi feeling ko, tapos na yung exam. And, ang pangit kasi na schedule namin yun kasi parang lahat ng exam namin last week, except dito sa isa na to, no, which is this week, which is a minor subject lang naman. Pero, medyo heavy kasi siya kasi read PH, so madaming dates and need kabisaduhin. And, I've been procrastinating it na aralin for like 3 days. Kasi I haven't vlogged pala. Kasi I've been, yesterday, nagpunta lang ako sa church, gumawa lang ako ng errands, and then, yung Saturday and Friday, gumagawa lang kami ng research, kasi we have a research kasi. And then, after kasi ng research paper na yan, meron na naman kami bago this week. That's why, and yung deadline niya is no Saturday, kaya natapos na namin siya. And, ayun, ang dami ko sinabi. Okay, aalis na ako, guys. And magpapadrop off na ako ng laundry kasi hinihintay na ako ng friend ko. So, bye. See you later.